Can you tell us what religion you follow before?
Islam, Christian.
Oh, you were Christian. Christian, okay. You were Christian before, and now we're gonna back to your original religion, inshallah. All right, so to take the Shahada, inshallah, and I say it in Arabic first, and then we'll say it in English. Okay? Yeah. You can hold this on your left hand. Yeah, like this.
Maybe that's all.
So, okay, yeah, sorry. Here we go.
So,
Yes. So we'll say it in Arabic first and then in English, inshallah. Ashhadu,
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 an la
Allah,
ilaha
ilaha
illallah, illallah,
illallah,
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu,
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan,
abduhu
abdahu,
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there